Hello everyone, today we are going to go over recording a message over the phone in DialMyCalls. To get to the recording section, click on Messages and by default you will be on the Recordings tab. To record a message over your phone, which is our most popular option, click on Record a Message. Type out a recording name and then enter your phone number and click Call Me. Now you will follow the prompts on your phone to record your message. Once you are done, you can close the pop-up or click Create Broadcast to use that recording in a new voice broadcast. You will now see your recording listed and you have a few options for that recording. You can play back the file to make sure it sounds good before you send it out to your contacts. Click on New Broadcast to start a new voice broadcast using that specific recording. Download your audio file, edit the name of your recording, and finally you can delete that file from your account. That wraps up our video on recording a message over the phone in DialMyCalls. Thank you for watching. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to contact us via toll-free number at 800-928-2086. Our email, which is support@dialmycalls.com, or via live chat 7 days a week.